The stage is set in Rajasthan as the 5th edition of Khelo India University Games kicks off on Monday. For the first time, the state is hosting this prestigious university sporting extravaganza with the grand opening ceremony scheduled at Jaipur Savai Mansingh Stadium. Over the next 12 days, more than 5,000 athletes will battle for glory across 23 medal sports and one demonstration event.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always emphasized the importance of promoting sports, athletes and youth. The Khelo India initiative is a result of government's multi-dimensional vision to provide more opportunities for young people to engage in sports. This year, Rajasthan is hosting the Khelo India University Games and the opening ceremony will take place in Jaipur on Monday. And it's not just confined to the state capital. The events will be organized across all 7 divisions of the state. Games will be hosted across 7 cities of the state. The capital city of Jaipur will host a total of 11 sports with athletics, badminton, basketball, hockey, swimming, tennis, football, archery, shooting, Malkhamb and cycling. While athletics, badminton, basketball, hockey, swimming, tennis and cycling will be held at the Savai Mansingh Stadium. Malkhamb will be hosted at the University of Rajasthan, football at Purnima University and archery and shooting at the Jagatpura shooting range. The city of Ajmer will host rugby from 26 to 28 November 2025 at the Patel Stadium, along with Kho-Kho as a demonstration sport from 1st to 3rd December 2025.
चूंकि ये ओपनिंग सेरेमनी राजस्थान में खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स की पहली बार हो रही है, तो इसको भव्य करने के लिए सभी तमाम प्रकार की व्यवस्थाएं की जा रही हैं। इसमें कुछ बॉलीवुड सिंगर्स को भी बुलाया जाएगा और हर तरह की व्यवस्थाएं की जाएंगी जिससे कि ये अविस्मरणीय यादगार बन सके।
Meanwhile, officials and staff from the State Sports Department, the Rajasthan State Sports Council, the Jaipur District Administration and the Police Commissionerate are working tirelessly on preparation and security arrangements for the event. According to young athletes of state, they are eagerly waiting for the games, and this major event will not only create a vibrant sports environment but will also serve as a strong source of inspiration for them.
हमें इस बात का बहुत प्राउड है कि पहली बार हमारे जयपुर में ये सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है और इससे हमें भी बहुत बूस्ट अप मिलेगा, बहुत प्राउड फील होगा हमें भी आगे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा कि हम भी कभी ऐसे इतने बड़े यूनिवर्सिटीज गेम में हम भी कभी पार्टिसिपेट करें.
With the aim of increasing youth participation in sports and providing emerging talent with platform at national and international levels, the Khelo India University Games are set to script a new chapter in sporting landscape of Rajasthan. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Dadich reports, DD India, Jaipur.